Okay, so today we are going to use a number line to tell time to the nearest 5 minutes within 1 hour. So we're going to use our ruler here and to draw a 12 centimeter number line.
What are we going to use it for?
I will show you right now to draw a 12 centimeter number line. So how many 5 minute intervals will the number line need to represent a total of 60 minutes?
12.
12. So marking 12 equally spaced intervals is difficult. So how can the ruler help us?
For making straight lines.
To make straight lines with.
Why do we have to do it really perfect?
Well, this way, because we're going to label it. Right now, we're gonna suppose that we are doing activities within 1 hour of activities, like if you do at school, within that 1 hour. So we're gonna try to do it as straight as possible, just like this. And right now you do yours, so I'm gonna do up to 12. And it's 5 minute intervals, so we have our 12 right there. And by using the 12 centimeter marks, we are going to tap in every centimeter. That way we know where to draw our 5 minute intervals. So you'll watch me while I do this, and then right now you will draw yours. So there we have our 12 centimeter line with our so remember, we're going to use the centimeter side. So we're going to start right here in this first line and take it on the first black line. You're starting a little too early. Okay. And then go all the way up to where it says 12. When it says 12, then you stop. Just draw a straight line down until you get to 12. Perfect. That's perfect. Okay. So in each of them, in each of the numbers here, in these numbers that you see right here, you are going to draw a little tick mark so we know where the intervals are, and we'll try to do them, space them out as evenly as possible. So can you grab your pencil? And then right here where you see each number, do like a little tick mark like I did here. There you go. Okay, so now in coming back this way, so on 11, in the 10, in the 9, in the 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Let's go a little down because we cannot see the line. 3, in the 2, and in the 1, and then where the line started on the 0, right here, this one. That's where we start right there. Okay, very good. So I want you to do me a favor, because this line here, it represents 1 hour, right? So my line represents 1 hour, your line represents 1 hour. So time passed before this hour, and time is gonna pass after this hour, right? So what I want you to do to represent that, watch as I do it so you can do it when it's your turn.
Like when the clock starts moving and moving every time and every day.
Right. So the time is always running. So that's good.
They're both so slow.
Right. Okay. So because it's per second, right? So we want to extend our line. This is representing that time will pass after this hour that we have here. It's fine as long as we show our work. So watch how I do it so you can do it after. So we're going to extend our line like this and draw an arrow representing that time will pass after our hour. So you can go ahead and do that now. extend it out a little. So first we have to extend our line. First we extend, so draw the line a little further out. Good. And then drew your arrow. And then to represent that time passed before, and to represent that time passed before our hour, we're going to extend our line here and do an arrow this way, right? So go ahead and do that now, right there. So extend your hour line, and very good. So now we said that we were going to count by fives. So I'm gonna do it on mine, and then you can show your work on yours. So can you help me? We're gonna start by 0, and then I want you to help me skip.
0.
One moment. So we're gonna skip count by 5. So we're not gonna do one digit at a time. We're gonna count by 5s, okay? So can you help me while I do mine, and then we'll do yours? Okay. So I started at 0 minutes. So we have 0 minutes. And then you can do it as I do it. We can do it together. So 5, and then counting by 5s. What's after 5? So we have 10, 15. Can you help me count by 5s?
5, 10, 15,
Mhm. 20. Okay.
25,
25. 30.
30. Hey, wait for me.
Okay. 25. 30.
5,
Don't skip 30. You have 20, 25, 30. So this one should be 30. The 0 after the 3. 3, 0. 30. And write it a little bit smaller so that they fit, okay? 35. A little smaller so they fit. 40. 45.
and 50.
50. 55.
55.
And 60. There are 60 minutes between 12 and 1. So we're gonna say that we're going to we're gonna say that we're gonna tick mark the activities, some activities that we do while we're at school on between the hours of 12. So I'm gonna label it here. 12
o'clock.
12 o'clock to 1. So you do that here. No. So we're gonna say that we started at 12. So it's right here, right at the bottom. Right there. 12. And then we put PM, because that's not afternoon. And then over here to 1 PM. PM. M. Okay, so this is going to be activities that we do at school between.
Finish that?
No, between 12 and 1 PM. Okay, so let's say that we have music class at school at 12:10. So let's skip count by 5s, and you tell me when we arrive at 12:10. Ready? So we start right here at 0.
5, 10.
Okay, so right here, we're gonna do a little tick mark, and we're gonna label it M for music class. Does 12:10 fall between the hours of 12 and 1? Yes, it does. Okay. So this dot here shows the location of a point. Finding and drawing a point is called plotting the position of a number on a number line. Okay, so let's say that we will begin our reading class at 12:35. Does 12:35 fall between 12 and 1 p.m.?
Everything's yes.
Yes? Okay, so 12:35 does fall within 12 and 1. So help me skip count and tell me when to stop so that we can plot our point for reading. Starting at 0.
5, 10, 15, 25, 30, 35, 40.
So did we reach to 12:35 already?
We reach at 40.
So reading starts at 12:35. So where would we have to plot 12:35? 35. 12:35. Where would it fall? Right here.
Here.
Okay. So we'll go ahead and plot it right here and we will label it R for reading.
We're good now.